So Microsoft, Salesforce, and HubSpot are all moving forward with agents. But how will that impact your business? Is it all good news, or are there any hidden challenges that you need to be aware of? My name is Carl Ye, and I'm the Chief AI Officer with 0to60.ai. My goal is to help your business get the real intangible benefits of AI through strategy, education, and implementation. So the belief is that the future of business is going to be transformed by these AI agents built by HubSpot, Microsoft, Salesforce, and others. But is it really good news? Let's say you need to analyze customer feedback and then book a meeting. Normally, this would take multiple steps: analyzing the data manually, scheduling time with the client, and sending an email follow-up. With AI agents like HubSpot's Breeze or Salesforce's Agentforce, this process can be automated in minutes. We're talking about agents that can automate end-to-end across the platform. Think about Microsoft's Copilot agent, integrated into tools like Word and Excel, making it easier for you to pull insights from data right where you work. Salesforce's Agentforce can integrate with partners like IBM to create advanced outbound sales agents. But what's the future? It's not about what AI agents can do today, but where they're going. Are these tools just glorified workflow automations, unlike true AI agents that OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta, and so on have been openly talking about for months and years? So what do I mean? Imagine an agnostic agent, one that has PhD level reasoning, that can move and operate across multiple platforms. Remember that OpenAI just announced their O1 models that have been benchmarked across multiple places to have PhD or very close to PhD level reasoning, especially in math, science, and coding. For example, you can ask your AI agent to schedule a meeting on Salesforce, pull related customer information from HubSpot, and maybe send up a follow-up email in Outlook. So instead of relying on multiple agents across multiple platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, Microsoft, you'll have one agnostic agent. It's very smart, connecting the dots between platforms and solving unforeseen problems. And don't forget, you can have multiple agnostic AI agents that can either support the function of one or go out and do it themselves. Again, with PhD level reasoning. So let's look at the pros and cons of the just announced AI agents. First, let's look at the pros. Number one, it's easier to use with faster decisions. These AI agents make tools more accessible and easier to use, which means faster access to insights and quicker decision making. Number two, reduced operational costs. By automating routine tasks like customer service or scheduling, AI agents can reduce the need for manual work, cutting operational costs. Number three, scalability. As your business grows, these AI agents can scale effortlessly. You won't need the additional headcount to manage more customer requests or schedule tasks. And four, improved customer experience. AI agents offer 24/7 support, personalized interactions, better response times, usually leading to happier customers. Really similar to what third-party chatbots are doing right now. But let's look at the cons. Number one, there's way too many agents competing with each other. With companies like HubSpot, Salesforce, Microsoft, and others all pushing their own agents, that could lead to fragmentation. Imagine having agents in Salesforce for your CRM, agents in HubSpot for your marketing, and agents in Microsoft for all your other tasks. That's a lot of agents to manage in each platform, and having people to know how to maintain and build them. And then you'll have vendor lock-in, which obviously they want. Once you invest in one AI agent platform like Agentforce, it'll be hard to move to other platforms. This limits flexibility and ties your business to one vendor's roadmap. Another big problem is who will maintain and build these agents. Customizing, maintaining, and updating these AI agents won't be easy. While a lot of these agents are easy to deploy, or at least the platforms make you think they're easy to deploy, many businesses don't have the resources to maintain these agents on the long term. Imagine needing to maintain and build multiple agents on multiple platforms. It's going to be a mess. And finally, security. Multiple agents accessing sensitive company data, that increases security risks. You have to ensure all your agents comply with your data protection policies. And then the more third-party agents you integrate, the more vulnerable your system could become. Where AI agents are going, we don't know. But the current crop of just announced AI agents, I'm not sure they're sustainable for the future. All these AI agents would be rendered obsolete with agnostic AI agents that have PhD level reasoning that can move across platforms and solve problems on their own, benefiting us. So what do you think the long-term prospects of these AI agents built by Microsoft, HubSpot, or Salesforce, or others? Are they here to stay, or will they be steamrolled by the OpenAI type agents coming?